guys, thank you so much for watching Minutes of Positivity. I'm Anupriya. Welcome to the another episode of Upbeat the Conversation with Anupriya. Today, in this very special episode, I have Nivedita with me, and she is into the publishing house. So we spoke about a lots and lots of into the publishing house, how is the procedure and what all you require, and we just completely deep dive into the publishing house, and she explained me every procedure of it and how does the poetry and the books get published and everything about that. And yes, she is into my digital marketing course, so we thought of doing that together. So enjoy yourselves. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Anu?
I'm doing all well. So many people doesn't know okay, how we actually met. Okay, so guys, Nivedita met me during the course, and still we are continuing the course. So I met her, and she is a wonderful, versatile person I've ever came across.
Thank you so much, Anu. So are you.
Yeah. So, Nivedita, like I have been very curious to know about, how the publishing house work, what are their procedure, how do they select, how do they edit, और कैसे उन तक पहुंच सकते हो आप? And even I was also thinking back quite a long time कि if I wanted to get published my stories written, so how to get connected with them, and then finally I found you who is there to answer all of my questions.
Definitely, Anu.
Yeah.
So yeah, so basically publishing is like a huge industry, like any other industry. You have like a lot of sections, divisions. From the time you submit your work, if you're writing a book, say on Minutes of Positivity,
Yeah.
and you have submitted to a publishing house,
Hmm.
from there on the editing process starts, and you have various stages, and you can either go through a self-publishing model or a traditional publishing model. So self-publishing में आप खुद से सब कुछ करते हो, freelancers को you hire and you get your work done. And in traditional publishing, everything a publishing house will do. Like you leave it to them and they will give you a final product. And that is where Penguin, Random House, Essay, these kind of publishers are there. And self-publishing is like, either through Kindle or Amazon, or there are some companies which help you editing and proofreading, and then you take you the whole process of publishing. So from the MS Doc, say to a book, these publishing journeys take care of it. Yeah.
Okay. So, just tell me about your whole journey. So, you always wanted to go into the publishing house only. Like, okay, so we are going to be around in the books and everything, and the media and because I was never a book person, and I'm still not a book person, and I'm trying to develop that habit so badly. I think it will take ages.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean, yeah, because I mean, since you have the keen interest, I think you'll slowly develop, and you're already in content, right? So you might, and you do such beautiful Instagram posts. So I don't think a book is a distant dream for you to be soon have like it'll happen soon for you. So
Yeah.
yeah, so my journey is like I was always into writing and reading as a kid, but I think 2000 around 2009 there was recession, and that's when I shifted. I'm an engineer by degree, so
Yeah,
and,
I think I know this thing. Like when we were
yes.
talking over a call, and you told me, and I was like, "Ki, oh my God, like she's so talented, yaar. Look at her
That's very
talent."
sweet. Yeah, no, I think every Indian either becomes first an engineer or doctor and then decides कि क्या करना है. So, I think I'm also one of them. So,
Yeah.
so definitely, yeah. So I first after my engineering, and I just since I was interested in content and recession happened, it all fell in place, and I moved into content, and I freelanced, and then I moved into publishing, and that's when I realized that we can get our books out so beautifully. And slowly, after a few years, I also got into writing for a long time, and I realized that certain books don't really sell outside because people don't make the effort. And I wanted to get into books that really matter. For example, if you want to read about something that touched you that day,
Hmm.
but you don't want to read a lot, like chota stories, like short stories, very short stories, but you don't know where to go. So I wanted to bring out books which are really practical to use, at the same time touch you as a person, right? So we started getting out books from a small non-profit publishing house I started called Nivasini, and did books on family values in India. Like it's called Family Matters. Then we did a book called Celebrating India. It was about celebrating the diversity of our country, the colors of our country, the way we all are. We are so weird and yet we are so beautiful. हम लोग Indians we're a different breed, right? So we have so many things in India to write about and celebrate about.
Yeah, that definitely,
Like,
definitely. Like,
yeah.
when I look into my own culture, like I am a Baniya. So, oh my
Correct.
God, there are so many rituals. अगर शादी हो रही है ना तो इसका मतलब है कि आप
Exactly.
पहले से 2-3 महीने पहले से सारे चीजों में लग जाओ बिकॉज इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू एंड और एक साल
Correct.
तक ना
Correct.
उसके रिचुअल्स चलते ही रहते हैं लाइक क्या हो रहा है ये
Correct. Exactly. So ये सब कोई नहीं लिखता, nobody would write
या
about what Anupriya thinks about a Banya wedding in Jaipur, So you can only write that. And
आई
I was
थिंक
like, अरे ऐसे तो छोटे छोटे sweet से stories, yeah.
मैं
Yeah.
मैं तो लिखने वाली हूँ मैं तो चैप्टर रिलीज करने वाली हूँ ओके सो थिंग्स वी डू इन अ बनिया फैमिली थिंग्स वी डू इन अ मारवाड़ी फैमिली
Yeah,
मोस्ट
exactly. Yeah.
ओके सो
Yeah, you could make a book out of that. I'll definitely help you. Yeah.
बट आई
So
वांट
yeah,
टू
ऐसे we started, having you should. So ऐसे करके we started, publishing small stories which people would not publish otherwise. Poetry has no market. Nobody wants to sell a poetry book. So we just
व्हाई
started taking on things that people, sorry,
व्हाई
why
लाइक
poetry has no market?
या या
So poetry, because कोई नहीं पढ़ता ये जो lot of people think that poetry कोई नहीं पढ़ता, but they don't know about the changing, new India जो है, they
या
want
या
to read short stuff, right?
या
I
या
know a lot of people who read poetry. So अभी change हो रहा है and people start reading, and then that is when we also thought that okay, let us publish more of poetry, more of stories that Indians connect with. Like I'm sure, like yeah, it's good to read a Jane Austen and all that, but आप लोग कितना connect कर सकते हो Jane Austen से, right? Like,
या
or any
एग्जैक्टली
English writer, like unless and until you're in England. Yeah, yeah. And yeah, so I thought that is the reason even Chetan Bhagat became a hit. So I wanted to make a story which is very beautiful, at the same time, very Indian, and जो लोग connect कर सकते हैं, and at the same time we should be like, wow, it's so beautiful, So
या
that is when we started, and yeah.
बट आई लाइक द
Correct. So all this
कॉन्सेप्ट
happened like, thank you. So yeah, so we want to pick every person who has some idea, they should write. That's the idea. Every सबको writer बना दो.
सबको
तो
बना दो
सबके
हाँ
अंदर कुछ ना कुछ story तो है. हाँ. Yeah.
yeah, so मैं भी book लिखूंगी. Like I have this thing in my bucket list कि I want to write a book about my own journey because there has
Correct.
been a lot of things which I have learned from that. And yes, so I wanted them to
Correct.
be open into the public. And yes, people should also listen to it, read it, and learn from my mistakes, what I've done in
True,
my
true.
life. Yeah. So tell me,
Nice. Yeah. So that's when that happened. Yeah. Sorry. I'll just end it up, and so after that, like after that was Nivasini. That was my earlier publishing venture, the non-profit one. Now I'm starting something called Lampshade Writers, and I'll be a blogger in that because I'm fully working full time. I have a job, and my parents will be handling the operations, and I have like very good friends who are helping me, and who are also being a part of Lampshade Writers. Like from our own digital marketing class, we have Kunika who's being a part of this, and then
wow.
I have a few freelance writers. Yeah, like Surela, there is one, she's there, and then like yeah, my parents are definitely, of course, helping me. Yeah, but yeah, also there is another person called Geetanjali Tanikela. She's also helping me. So like there's a lot of good people are helping, So that's the whole idea, to bring something where everybody can merge. Like Konika is not a writer, but she has her own ideas, So Lampshade is where a lot of ideas come together. Be it digital publishing, digital marketing, all this we're using here. And we want to make it like a resource blog to know what is editorial, what is publishing. Like how you were saying, right? Mujhe nahi pata. So like that should not be the case because you should know, right? Because nobody tells us hame kaisa pata hoga. So we want to
Exactly. And
ensure that people know. Uh, yeah,
in
and when
fact,
next time like
yeah.
Anupriya like, अरे I published my book बोल के. Yeah, because मैंने पढ़ा क्या करना है मुझे पता है. So you came out with a book because
Yeah.
Lampshade writers का blog पढ़ के मैंने book लिखा type. Yeah, so yeah, exactly. Yeah, sorry, that's the thing. So that's the whole idea.
Yeah, even I think nobody talk about the publishing house. Nobody is aware how to get book
Correct.
published, how to get a story published. Even when I was also looking for the article to be get published in a newspaper, a normal newspaper, because I wanted that to published in the LGBTQIA community, because yes, people are still not aware of it, and everybody, like literally, I won't reveal the name, they refused to publish it, and I was
Hmm.
like, okay, I need some other sources now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, but there are press in Mumbai. So yeah, exactly. हमको नहीं पता कि कहाँ जाना है यार. एक book तो है पर कहाँ जाना है? What is the route? ऐसा these
yeah.
topics we are trying to deal with it. So you know that okay, there are places where you can publish. जहाँ contests होते हैं, you actually get paid for winning a poetry competition, or
Yeah,
you get
yeah,
paid for writing. So
yeah.
yeah, yeah. So no, none of us know that. We're like oh clueless. So this is where you're trying to accumulate all that information and give it to people and they go as ahead. Okay. And if they need editorial help, yeah, publishing help, we want to build a community basically.
But I think Nivedita, you're doing a great job, because you are making people aware of it. And eventually, when I started this content wali cheese now, so I had no clue from where to start, and I was like, "Ki, okay, so this is a whole jumble, whole this is a quiz where I am just lost in my own world and I have no clue what to do." But yeah, just like you explained me about the publishing house, it's just like so other people explain me about the content part. So now एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग आई एम ऑल्सो अवेयर ऑफ कि कहाँ किस चीज के लिए कहाँ जाना है. सो वी एंड अप अप्लाइंग फॉर द रॉन्ग थिंग, और वी एंड अप गोइंग टू द रॉन्ग पाथ, और हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि वेयर वी हैव टू गो. मतलब अब मैं पब्लिशिंग के लिए जा रही थी, तो आई
Correct.
वाज गोइंग फॉर द रॉन्ग पार्ट. अब now I got a direction. Now I got
Hmm.
to know ki, okay, so now I can reach out to you. Now I can reach out to some other person in this manner.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would
Hmm.
like to know about what are the experiences, and like how have you, are you enjoying this thing, or how have you been in this whole beautiful journey? What was it all about?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it is. First of all, it's exhausting because, like you have just mentioned, that you had to search so much. Like even we had to do all that. Go through a lot of rejection because poetry ko nahi publish nahi karne wala. So that was the past. But coming back to Lampshade Writers, that is our present right now. Yeah, we are kind of focusing on planning events which really matter to people, especially lockdown, which is unavoidable topic right now. People are getting stressed, and उन लोग को नहीं पता कि release का करना है. They just can't spend unnecessarily, or do things that they're like okay कुछ काम करने, like for example if you keep eating, stress eating बहुत होता है, या
Yeah.
burnouts होते हैं. So
Hmm.
people don't know how to deal with such things. I think even you're right, because you're into positivity and all that, and your talks are all around that, and you keep spreading those messages. I mean, I know that you know that this is happening.
Yeah.
Like हमेशा people are either stressed out because of the work, or burnouts होते हैं. And like the way you're doing in audio space, I'm trying to do the same in contracting space. So we are right now creating a whole year of events. Like there are big three events. एक है like Lockdown Love, which is in February. Then there's another
Wow.
called Break That Barrier in May. Yeah. And we're releasing a coffee magazine in October. So this whole exercise of even planning the events with our my peers like Konika or Surela, or talking about it with my parents or my friends, it's a very beautiful journey because we all have such different experiences. And the way we are brainstorming so much just to ensure that somebody gets to write. Like I've had help from, like, I have a very good friend called Sharad in California, and he's like, just do it, and we'll take care of a lot of things. So people just want to help other writers come out and see that, hey, why don't you come? So all people have to do is just come out of their closet and sit with us and write. That's it. And then we'll take care of publishing. Kaise karna hai. We'll figure out things. Bas aap likho. That is what you're saying. The whole idea is like, just likho, write it down. It's very beautiful, and it helped me. Because I think, like, when you also start your journey, like, you're so young and yet you're so positive, and you're so, there's so much of positivity in you. And that happened
Yeah.
because you talk about it, right?
Okay, so
Yeah, so that is how it happens even with writers.
मुझे तो काफी अच्छा लग
Yeah.
रहा है कि ओके आई एम क्वाइट यंग, काफी अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिल गया.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. So yeah, like, because you spread that positivity, आप भी positive हो जाते हो, like they say, the person who gives the roses, he has a scent of roses in his hand always, because he's giving out those roses. So
Yeah.
it's always like that. So अगर आप encourage कर रहे हो किसी को, लिखो लिखो, then you also become a writer somewhere. I've seen that happening.
Yeah, like I can totally relate this. Yeah, I have recently written something. I think second time I've wrote something by my own self, and I was just sitting randomly, and I just wrote that, and I was like, "Ki, okay, I was not the kind of person today I am, and I never thought that I can be like this, but I can talk to you for about this publishing hours for publishing house and everything for hours and hours because I am totally unaware, and I think so many people are there which are unaware, they don't know. But I think at the same time,
Correct.
it gives you a great motivation because you have so much of creativity, so much of ideas, and that your dream to, get it published, that people should know about
Yeah.
that. So I think we all are working for that identity only.
Correct. Very well said. Very well said. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So true. So true. Yeah.
I wanted to know about that Utsav also. I think you have told me about a basic thing. So will you please tell us in a detailed manner what is Utsav? How are you working for it, and how is it all about?
Correct. Yeah. So yeah, basically, there is something called Dan Utsav during October 2nd wala week. October 2nd to October 8th. This is done by a NGO called Goonj. I'm sure you've heard about it. Or, a lot of people know about this. It's called Goonj, especially in social development sector. जब आप होते हो, yeah. Yeah. So it's called Goonj, and that those guys do Dan Utsav. And I was thinking, like, why should we wait till October 2nd to do something?
Hmm.
Like, like somebody's
Uh,
in need now. I'm like, no, abhi tum, I can't give you. मैं October 2nd को
अच्छा हाँ
दूंगी.
हाँ
How will it
exactly.
be? Like, अभी भूख लगी है. नहीं, अभी नहीं दे सकती. मेरा टाइम नहीं है. मैं तुमको October 2nd को दूंगी. So I was like thinking, like, अरे October 2nd तक ही क्यों wait करना है ना? It makes, like, while it's very beautiful, I was thinking, like, why should we wait till then? Like, they're doing something so nice, but I should also take inspiration from them and do something which is like regularly. And I think जब festival होता है, like India में, हम लोग बहुत giving हो जाते हैं, we want to give because we are so happy and we are full of gratitude that अरे हमको इतना है, we want to give. So I just wanted to direct people in that direction also. कि देखो, while you have doing, a lot of things, why don't you give to needy, thoda bahut, so that is one thing that people enjoyed.
Yeah.
Like they thought, like, अरे तो अच्छा, we can also give, and it needn't be
Hmm.
just donation via food or money. You can be a skill also. For example,
Hmm.
like, we are talking about this, right? So this is your donation,
Hmm.
you're talking about it, so that is a skill based giving. And if I write about it, so it's my skill based giving. So your donation need not be only through money or food, it can be a skill based donation also. So every utsav is Dan Utsav is doing it every festival in India जो है, और any world में भी आप कर सकते हो, जो भी festival ले लीजिए. So because I felt, because एक तो अभी संक्रांति है, okay, that is how we started. Devnar को we gave food. Like, there's a runners group which is a friends brothers runners group, and
Hmm.
they donated about 17,000 worth of supplies to Devnar school, which was kind of under need
Huge.
because floods में पूरा उनका बहुत
Hmm.
चला गया. Yeah. So imagine this runners group, वो कहीं दूसरे city में, I mean my city mates in some other area, you know, they're donating only because, you know, I was able to connect to them through my friend Bhanu. So this is something which is very beautiful, right? Like we are as a community, हम सब लोग मिलके कुछ कर रहे हैं, you know, it's not like oh निवेता ने donate किया चलो clap करो, it's not like that. As a community we should have that emotion and we have it, just that हम लोग उसको tap नहीं करते हैं बस. So I thought okay अभी ये है, then फिर होली आएगा, होली में कुछ कर सकते हैं. That every festival you want to do something, or you know, figure out something that we can do and ask people for donation. Like Devnar abhi bhi chal raha hai, so next is free library in every community. So that is again an idea we're working on, you know, कि like हर सोसाइटी में एक कमिटी होता है, उनका मीटिंग होता है, तो उधर थोड़े बुक्स डाल दो and people get enriched, like how you are talking about, I want to read. Maybe you never got the chance because, you know, आपके आजू बाजू, like we don't have public libraries, right? इंडिया में उतना we have, but वो उतना accessible नहीं होता. But what if your own committee में, your own building के नीचे, like you have a TT table या iron table, एक library भी होता, तो maybe would have gone and picked up. Anu would have been like, "Arey, कोई एक book है, I can just read it." So making reading more accessible is what we were thinking. So that is the next step after, you know, Devnar के बाद ये है अपना like next idea to make library, make books more accessible to people. And we want to do it during festivals. Like अभी next होली आएगा, फिर उसके बाद some other festival, then Ganesh Chaturthi, Christmas, Ramzan. So every festival people will definitely feel they want to give, and we just want to show that, "Arey, come, you know, you can give it to here, or you can create an idea and we can work on it." Just direction, that's it. But people, everything people are already doing.
I really liked the concept, firstly, and I really loved how much detailed information you have given to me and to all the listeners. Like, okay, I was also not aware of this whole Utsav Wali part, and I was not aware of that NGO also. I don't know why, and not even heard. But you know how detailed you guys have researched is very very appreciable, and I think Nivedita, you and your team are doing a great job. Like, go ahead.
Thank you so much.
It is so wonderful to know that yes, people do care. People do take care of small, tiny little things, and it you know it makes a beautiful person out there. कि यार ठीक है आप किसी को दिखाने के लिए नहीं कर रहे, but you're actually doing it for somebody who is needful for that, and I think that's the
Correct.
best beautiful thing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anu. Yeah.
मुझे तो पर्सनली आई थिंक लाइक दिस एपिसोड आई लव बिकॉज इट इज वेरी मच informative and this information I think many of us are not aware because obviously we talk about multiple issues, we talk about multiple things, but we never spoke about these kind of stuff, and it directly touched to my heart. Oh my god.
Thank you, Anu. It's very sweet of you.
Very fun loving conversation, very informative, very knowledgeable. Even I'm going to study about this thing. And yes,
Definitely, you should.
you are a great person, Nivedita. Thank you so much for taking out time in this to coming the show and to talk about this topic. And yes, it is much needed to talk about. And do let us know what else you are planning to come with. And I will be definitely posting it on Minutes of Positivity for sure, so that people will be more aware, people will be more active. And yes, if I can do something, then please do let me know. Yeah.
Yeah, I think Anu, you're already doing a great job that you're talking about it. And thank you so much for your time, first of all, because I know how busy you are, and we are doing it at 9:30 on a Sunday. Speaks volumes about your commitment to your work. So I think I'm inspired too, because I never would work on a Sunday night like this, the way you are working, despite having a, you know, other full-time job and other works. So hats off to your commitment, first of all. And yeah, secondly, definitely I'll let you know if there is something. But as of now, I think this you know, conversation is itself a boost for all of us, like me, be it me or my team, or you know, our team, like you know, our
Yeah.
friends and people.
Yeah.
Because I think you are also part of Lampshade in some way now. Because
Yeah. And
yeah.
even I would
So
love to work with you guys. And it's such a great journey. Like, oh, okay. So it's nice. Thank you so much. And yes, I will be posting Lampshade. Does Lampshade have Instagram page?
Yes, it does. It does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, guys, I will be posting Nivedita's email ID, her social media handles, coordinates, and Lampshade Writers coordinates. So you can directly reach out. If somebody is willing to get published anything, just reach out to her. She's a wonderful woman. She's a very helpful and kind. You can directly talk to her or talk to me. I will pass it on her. And yes, let's make a life very simple and let's make people more aware of every little tiny thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.